everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to start off by saying thank you so much to everyone who commented on my last video and gave me great advice about that phone case that I had bought last weekend from Gucci. If you didn't see my previous video, I had a gift card for Nordstrom from Christmas and I knew I wanted to spend it at Gucci. And I ended up getting a phone case kind of impulsively and then really doubting the purchase. And I don't usually doubt my purchases. I usually, especially with my luxury items, I buy them and I'm so happy to have them. And with this, it was different. I was really doubting it. And you guys, the overwhelming majority of you, kind of confirmed that really it wasn't the best choice. They're really cute phone cases, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, I was really doubting it, and I don't think I would have enjoyed using it because of all of that doubt about whether, I was going to ruin it, or if I get a new phone and it doesn't fit, then it's completely useless. So I did take your advice and I returned it and exchanged it for the Gucci Super Mini. So that is what I'm going to unbox with you right now. I think I'm much happier about this purchase. And yeah, so let's get into the unboxing. This is a true unboxing. I just took the box out of the bag to take a picture for Instagram, but other than that, I have not actually unboxed the item. So I really like this shopping bag they gave me. It's so pretty. It's one side and then it's the other side. Really pretty. All right, so here is the box. It's the receipt. And this is the box it came in. Here's the Gucci box, which is really pretty. And the Gucci dust bag. I really like their dust bags. They're really silky. Let's see here. Oh, let's try it. There we go. And this one was a brand new one. When he took it out of the back, it was all still wrapped in that kind of foam material that they get shipped in. So I was happy that they had one on display and it looked very handled. So here it is, the Gucci Super Mini Marmont bag in, I think they just call this color white. To me, it's definitely more of an off-white or a cream. Yeah, I don't know. I think the camera's picking up. It's relatively close to the actual color, but my lighting isn't great right now, so it's maybe slightly off. But anyway, it's close enough. So this is the white, and it's the Super Mini, so that really tiny version of the Marmont bag. And I wanted to get this, one, because I think it's really cute, and two, because I've always been very uncertain about the Gucci Marmont bags. I kind of go back and forth on them. Whenever I go to look at them, I never actually take the plunge and buy one. So I thought this would be kind of a good test to see how I like it. I love the Gucci Marmont belts, but the bags, for some reason, I don't know. I'm just really uncertain about. So, but this one, I don't know, I was just really drawn to it because of the size, and this color I just loved. So it does have the heart on the back, which I think in this size is really cute. And I think the leather is calfskin. So here's the little care booklet. And I liked the chain too because it is more delicate than the larger bags. So it's the aged gold chain, and it's definitely a lot more delicate and smaller than the regular Marmont bags. And it is the right length for crossbody, and it is removable. So here you can just remove the little bar from the D-ring there. So the interior is a kind of pinkish color, and it's microfiber. And there is this little clasp. So this, you can attach it to larger bags, can attach your keys inside, or you can actually wear this. You've probably seen this on other videos, but you can actually use this to take the chain and use it as a fanny pack, like wrapping the chain around your waist and hooking it with this. I haven't tried it on like that yet, but I'm gonna try it and see how it looks. So it's just one open space, obviously, because it is a very tiny bag, but it does easily hold my iPhone 7, and with plenty of room to spare for a card holder and some keys and probably a lip product. I think that's probably about all it will hold. I will, if you guys want me to do a video review on this after I've used it for a little bit, I would be happy to do that. So the closure is just this little snap closure, and of course it has the aged gold GG logo. I forgot to look and see where this is made. So here's the little leather tag, made in Italy. And so that's the code on the back. Yeah, so that is the Gucci Marmont Super Mini, and I'm definitely a lot more comfortable with this purchase than I was with that phone case. So thank you all again. You guys are awesome. You definitely made the right call on making this exchange. And I know I said that my Dior Walk is, you know, very similar to this in terms of color and size, but when I looked at them side by side, they are such different looks. This one is definitely a lot more casual. The Walk is something I would probably use more for like dinners and going out in the evening, whereas this I think I could use really on a daily basis whenever I need just you know, to take the basics with me. So I think there's room for both of them in my collection, and really this is the color that really spoke to me in the Super Mini. The kind of nude color was nice too, but they actually didn't have that in the store. I've only looked at that online. So anyway, so I think this was a good buy, and I will let you guys know how I like it once I have started using it. And then maybe we'll see if I end up getting a larger Marmont bag in the future. I don't know yet. I'm kind of in the process of making my 2018 wish list, which I will share with you once I've kind of thought about it a little more. Oh, I almost forgot. I want to quickly, just for size reference, show you it next to one of my rectangular minis, my Chanel rectangular mini. So it is significantly smaller, you can see. It's not as tall, it's definitely not as wide, and not as long. So it is a tiny bag. Okay, so just so you can get an idea of how small it actually is. All right, so the other thing I did while I was at Nordstrom yesterday was I checked out, this is kind of on another topic, beauty, but I checked out the new Dior Lip Glow colors, because Dior Lip Glow is my favorite lip product. It is just, I just love it because it's like a lip balm, but it has color. and it works really well for me, especially in the winter. My lips get really dry. My lips get dry all year round, but especially in the winter. And that's why I like Dior Lip Glow products, because I feel like they moisturize my lips and they also have really nice colors. But before they launched these new colors, they only had 3 colors to choose from, and the one that I used was the pink. And I just went through it so quickly. So I got 3 of the new colors to try. And so far I'm loving all 3. I have tried all 3 already. So I just wanted to share them with you really quickly. So this one is the matte raspberry. So they have some matte colors now. The original formula is a little shinier. I wanted the pink matte one, but the girl who was helping me could not find their stock of it. So I only ended up getting the matte raspberry, which is really pretty. And this is a really kind of unique product because it is matte, and most matte lip colors are fairly drying, but because this is a balm, it's not drying. So it looks like a matte lip color, but it actually feels moisturizing on the lips. So it's really, I really, really like this. It's really interesting when you want a more matte look, but you still want the moisture. This is a good one. So it's the Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm in Matte Raspberry. The next one is Ultra Pink, and this is just kind of a more intense version of the original pink. It's really pretty. I'm wearing this one today. And then the last one I got is called Holo Pink, and this one actually has some shimmer in it, and again, it's really pretty. It's subtle, so it's not as obvious as it is here on the lips, but it's really, really pretty, and it's a shinier one. So I'm really happy with all 3, and there were some other new shades too, but those were the 3 I got. So yeah, so I highly recommend these lip products, especially if your lips get dry like mine. Highly recommend trying these. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again for all of the great advice. You guys are awesome, and I just love this community. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I'm almost at that 1,000 subscriber mark, and I'm really excited to hit that. So if you could help me do that, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, please also follow me on Instagram. My handle is FashionJunkie33. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.